Good morning and thank you for choosing MarineMax. This is Bill Maskas in MarineMax in Stuart, and today I will show you this wonderful entertainment platform, this Sea Ray 350 SLX. It was built in 2016. She has a little bit over 300 hours. It's equipped with a premium speaker system and audio system. We have a remote control here on the aft. Right across you see there is a shower head and a door to protect the occupants while the boat is running. Proceeding further in, we have the nice L-shaped seating with a table that raises from the floor. The boat is equipped with infinity woven carpet. Over here we have the kitchen area. So you have the refrigerator, a trash receptacle, and also a grill. Sink and a little storage area. Additional seating over to the starboard side. Reversible seating over here on the port passenger side. It can face forward, back, or anything in between, depending on what we're doing with the boat. The helm is updated with twin Raymarine Axiom Screens, which is the latest electronics version of this very capable system. Basic switching, joystick system, electronic controls, automatic trim tabs, the vessel view right on the right side of the wheel, and the spotlight controls. The boat is also equipped with AC, including cockpit and the cabin AC. Right in the front we have the bow area, very expansive. You can have at least two people lounging with additional passengers sitting around. The head is very nicely appointed with plenty of cabinet space around, shower head, and also a sink. And then on the starboard side we have this cabin area, so you can get out of the weather. It's equipped with AC and it can convert into a bed. All the controls are hiding behind, all the fusing and electrical controls are hiding behind those two cabinets. We'll be delighted to answer any of your questions. Please give me a call anytime at my cell 203-808-5088. Again, Bill Maskas, MarineMax in Stuart. Thank you.